From the welcome screen, click Create New Drawing. Now choose the ground you wish to draw in. Grounds are similar to layers. From the Draw toolbar, situated at the bottom of the screen, select Relative Line. This is appropriate where you know the length and the direction of the lines you wish to create. I then selected Join from the Mode toolbar towards the top of the screen. This automatically makes the end of each line the start of the next one. Now choose the Line command. This simply creates a line between 2 points. Choosing Lock to Endpoint from the Mode toolbar will enable you to snap to any points that exist in the drawing. Now select Crease Ground from the Ground drop-down and a broken line style. Finally, select Zoom All from the top of the screen.